The Catalina Legacy. Who does Catalina?
This is a Coachman product.
Okay.
Yes, sir. One of their finest. Catalina has grown in popularity quite a bit here over the years. They do a lot of pretty cool floor plans. This is one of the bunkhouse floor plans.
Connie Schmidtke, I believe, is how you. We're going to type it in chat, but congratulations, Connie. You just won the National Parks Pass. You were the 15th person to text to win. Round of applause. Round of applause. All right. Sorry.
Cool.
Yeah, there you go.
Very cool.
Did I shock you? Did I surprise you when I cut in like that?
Me? No.
See?
No.
Because I warned you in
advance. It takes a lot to excite me. Yes, that's unfortunate.
All right. So now let's talk about this.
2022 Catalina Legacy. This is the 303 QBCK. Don't ask me what those letters stand for. I don't think anyone actually knows.
Bring Charlie's kite.
We'll go with that. So, lovely outside kitchen over here, guys. Dave, what's the first thing you'd make on this bad boy?
I would make the onion volcano.
Oh, that's a good idea.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, I wasn't thinking that far in depth, but I suppose while you're doing that, I'm going to be over here cracking cold ones.
There you go.
That's what I'm going to do here for you, and I'll give you entertainment and
nice.
Company.
Then this is where we would keep your cold ones.
You would?
You would have to walk around me while I'm making.
While you're doing the volcano. I'm going to be drinking. Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes, sir. So you got everything you need out here, guys. Nice little bike rack, outside kitchen, everything kind of located conveniently on the out back here. Prep for the camera, prep for solar. It's prep for everything.
Yeah.
It's got the keys. You just got the lock. So why don't we step inside? It looks like there's a little party going on here for us.
Right. Oh, look at those lights changing colors.
Yes, sir.
That's awesome.
I guess this one has the party package on it.
Yeah. Ooh, and a heater, or the hot fireplace.
Yes, sir.
This one we need to turn the fan on. It is not warming up in here right now because it's cold in this one.
Oh,
I'm sorry. I mentioned I was not going to talk about being cold anymore. Dang it, I've already dropped the ball. All right, a lot of space here.
Yes,
a lot of room.
Super slide. Your dinette and your couch going to be in here. This will fold out into a sleeping position. The table goes down just like every other one you guys have seen that does the same thing. Another sleeping position there. Storage everywhere. Really nice.
Wow.
Plenty of storage here. And we walked by.
Right past the.
Yeah, this is new to me. So I guess either a pantry. Might toss some coats in there and some shoes.
Nice walk-in closet.
A little walk-in closet. We could figure it out.
That's
we could manage.
I had too much to eat on that cruise I was just on. I really felt like I could fit in that space. I'm really disappointed in myself.
It's close. No, it's close.
Look how much room is here. Like when you get done cooking, to take everything to the dinette area, I feel like you may have to take a break because there's so much space to get to there to here. Lots of room. Very roomy. Nice big refrigerator.
Yes, sir.
Is that 12? No, that's more than 12, right?
12 cubic feet.
That's 12?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. This is cool. Keep your Pepsis there.
More Pepsis. Yes, sir. Let's take a peek at the master
go back in
here.
here?
Nice
Sneak
little
in.
nook.
All right. You got wardrobe on either side. Okay. Storage above. That goes all the way back through there. See if there's any storage underneath. Let's take a look. Yep. There's some storage underneath there.
Sure is.
You got that. Plus, on either side, your USB and your outlets. Keep your sleep pad, whatever you need on the side. And maybe you just set your phone there to watch either your phone, or you've got the TV backer along this wall so you can plug in and have your TV in there as well. So there you go. There's the bedroom. Let's talk about this counter space over here.
Well, there's quite a bit of it,
Yeah.
isn't there?
Yeah.
Solid surface, too. You got your nice little trays. Pop these off, use them as cutting boards if you'd like to. I like that. A nice one-piece sink. Plenty of room.
Great. Storage above and below.
Yes, of course. All of your storage here. You see you got some access to some water lines, stuff like that. Silverware drawers, oven. This one also has the cooktop burner and the convection microwave, which is nice.
Great.
Now here is the better part here for the kiddos. They get their own little room back here.
Yeah, look at this. This is cool.
They get their own little room. They got the little sofa. This folds out into a couch. Oh, I'm sorry, to a sleeping position. They call it the cube sofa. Television gets mounted here on the wall. And they still have places to hang up their clothes and everything.
Love it.
Yeah.
And you got kids. You got 2 or 3 kids. They're gonna love this room.
Absolutely.
You
Or
might
if
have
they're
trouble
bringing
getting out of it.
friends, then
Yep.
there's plenty of room for them. Don't have to trip over anything.
Right.
You know?
USB chargers back here and outlets, so they keep their devices charged. They come back here.
There's more lights. We just haven't turned
Oh,
all
yeah,
of them
look
on there too. Yep. There's some more lights back here.
Great. We pass right by the bathroom. Let's take a
I know
look.
how
in
you
there.
like to hop in those showers, Dave. I won't.
Yeah, I think I've only been in one so far today.
That's
You
unacceptable.
want me to jump
I'm
in
gonna
first?
need you to-
I'll go in here. I'll shut the door.
Might not be room for both of us. I'll let you handle this one solo.
All right, you can stay back there. All right, so there we go. This is only the second shower I stood in today, which is new. 6 feet tall. I'm 6 feet tall, so still room above my head. If you're much taller than me, got a bit of a sunlight over here or a skylight over here, so that you can have your space. There you go. Shower, sink, medicine cabinet, and the toilet. Foot flusher. Is that what you call it? Foot flush?
All pretty straightforward, yeah.
All right. So there you go. Nice RV.